How to scan Clash Royale QR code. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to discuss about scanning a Clash Royale QR code. So first of all, you need to exit the Clash Royale application. If you're running in the background, go ahead and close it completely on your device. And if you have a physical QR code, hover your camera over to it. Simply select any QR code that you want to, then go to the link that is displayed in the bottom. If you have a screenshot of the QR code, you can also open the image and tap on the square icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the QR code and you should now see the option to open it in the Clash Royale. A pop-up will appear allowing you to claim your reward and then tap on claim. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.